Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see error on your Instagram, an unknown error occurred, so how you can fix it. So mostly it happened because you just need to close your app and open again. And if it doesn't help you, just try to check your internet connection. So just if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. Turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have the server, so you can try to go to App Store. Just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.